Oil change 2013 Chevy Impala. Remove the oil cap. Jack up the passenger side of the car and use a jack stand for safety. Gonna go under the car to the back of the oil pan, find your drain plug, 15mm plug. We're gonna remove that. With your catch pan in place, go ahead and remove the plug. Let your oil drain. Once the oil is drained, reinstall your drain plug. Come to the top of the motor and locate your oil filter, which is right there. We're going to remove that with the oil pan in place under the car to catch the spillage. With the old filter removed, we're going to reinstall a new filter. Remove the jack stand, let it down on the jack. Reinstall your new oil filter. And you're ready to refill with 6 quarts of your preferred 5W30 motor oil. Refill with 6 quarts. Replace your cap. Let the motor warm up. Check your oil level to make sure you have the right amount in it. Check underneath for leaks and you're finished.